one crucial part of being a successful entrepreneur is making sure that you are healthy, mind, body, and soul. One thing that I've made sure that I do within my program is I have a meeting once a month with other members. How do we meet? Via Zoom. Exactly. We get on a Zoom call together, every single one that is in the group, so you can have on your PJs, you can have some champagne, you can have some orange juice, or you can have your water. You can also have your nightcap on, your nightgown. It's a time where we sit back and we get to know each other, connect with one another, and share our experiences. Not just our experiences when it comes to being an entrepreneur, but also our spiritual experiences when it comes to just living a regular, a daily life. This is something that I thought was extremely important. Not only is it a proper and a good place to network, but it's also a place for you to become friends with other entrepreneurs and learn how other people are feeling and realize that you are not alone. There are other people out there that are going through the same things that you are going through, that have the same goals that you have, and they want to surround themselves with the people that can give them that extra push, people that they know want to see them succeed. That is something that is very important to me, and that is just one particular perk that I have within my program.